press brakes present a serious risk of injury. Especially in the easily accessible bending area of the machine, there is considerable risk of injury to fingers and hands. Standard safety interlocks are often bypassed as they restrict the exact guidance of the material to be bent or reduce the productivity of the workers or the machines. For this reason, in 1998, Fiessler Electronic developed their innovative AKAS safety system. This system reliably prevents accidents without delaying work or lowering the productivity. Using the AKAS system, even small parts can be accurately guided by the hand or the fingertips throughout the whole bending process. The AKAS press brake safety system, now in its second generation, allows even faster cycle times and thereby maximizes both safety and productivity. The AKAS press brakes protection system is patented, EC approved, and has been examined by the German TÜV to ensure that the safety measures are applied in practice. AKAS consists of a transmitter and a receiver. The AKAS transmitter generates two red light laser beams, which due to the positioning of the receiver elements form a 3-beam safety grid. The vertical laser grid is received and analysed by elements E2 and E3. Additionally, the element E1 provides horizontal protection during the phase where the machine is being closed. During the actual bending process, the punch moves down at high speed, that is, at full speed, until the tip of the tool is positioned immediately above the metal sheet. The presence of a finger or hand in the danger area would be detected by the laser grid and stop the machine. If, however, there is no danger, then the descent of the tool will be slowed to the normal working speed. At this changeover point, both receiver elements will be muted, that is, bridged, so that even though the laser beams are interrupted, the machine will not be stopped. Nevertheless, if for example a finger enters the danger area, the third receiver is still active and will stop the machine. The third element will only be bridged when the gap between the tool and the metal sheet has reduced to a few millimeters and is no longer a danger to hands or fingers, and the sheet can be safely bent. The changeover point from high to low speed may differ according to the individual parameters of each machine, especially as the braking of the punch on the newer press brakes has been considerably improved. This means considerably reduced overhead times, which can be converted into increased productivity by the use of the AKAS-2. There are 8 different adjustment codes available with the AKAS-2 to suit traverses between 5 and 14 millimeters. The code is simply fed into the AKAS-2 via 3 simple dip switches, and this allows each individual machine to remain in the high-speed mode for the longest possible period of time. The result? Optimized performance without compromising safety. As with all AKAS safety systems, the AKAS-2 allows a box bending function without costly brakes at each stage. To carry out the box bending function, the receiver element E1 must be switched off. Otherwise it would be blocked by the part of the metal box which has been bent upwards. The other receiver elements are not influenced by the metal sheet as they are placed just behind and close to the bending line, and so continue to provide reliable protection for the operator's hands and fingers. If, for example, during a tool change, a high punching tool is exchanged for a smaller one, then the AKAS-2 will automatically adjust to the new tool. This saves manufacturing time and removes the chance of human error. The time which would have been necessary to adjust the AKAS-2 can be used for carrying out other tasks. This is possible because the values for overrun, traverse and other safety features have already been entered into the system. Of course, the most important requirement of a press brake is to ensure the safety of the operator. The AKAS-2 system from Fiessler Electronic, with its easy-to-use, innovative safety laser grid, fulfills this requirement. The AKAS-2 in no way reduces the productivity of the machine. The entire work sequence of the machine is optimized with individual machine type and is carried out without any intermediate pauses. In addition, After each tool change, the AKAS-2 will self-adjust quickly and perfectly. AKAS-2 by Fiessler Electronic. We are your partner for innovative safety since 1957. AKAS-2, safeguarding operators working on press brakes without introducing delays, maximum productivity and working comfort at its best.